Hello, my name is Quinn Conlon, and today I will be presenting my informative speech on electric cars and the advantages and disadvantages that go along with them. It has come to my attention from the information gathered through my audience analysis questionnaire that a lot of people in the class are not very familiar with electric cars. Most people know that they exist, but do not see them on a day-to-day basis. First of all, I would like to explain exactly what an electric car is. An electric car is a vehicle that is propelled by one or more electric motors. These electric motors are powered by rechargeable batteries within the car. There are three main types of electric vehicle, classified by the amount of electricity used as the car's energy source. Hybrid electric vehicles are powered by both gas and electricity. A process called regenerative braking is active in hybrid vehicles. This is the process of energy being generated by the car's own brake system in order to recharge the battery. Hybrid electric vehicles start off by using the electric motor, then the gas engine cuts in as the speed increases. Both motors are controlled by an internal computer system which allows for the best economy for the particular driving conditions. Another type of electric car is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, which is also powered by gasoline and electricity. This type of electric car can recharge its battery through both regenerative braking and also plugging into an external outlet. In this type of hybrid, the gas engine extends the range of the car by recharging the battery as it gets low. The final type of electric car I'm going to cover today is the fully electric car, also known as the battery electric vehicle. There is no gas engine, no fuel tank, and no exhaust pipe, and the only source of energy for this car is an external charging outlet. Electric vehicles can be recharged at home with a special power outlet connection or at one of the thousands of public charging stations throughout the country. A typical electric car takes less than 8 hours to fully recharge, but this largely depends on the size of the battery. Also, certain brands such as Tesla offer supercharging options which charge the battery much faster than it normally would. Some people believe that the electric car is a brand new invention, but they actually started to emerge in the 1800s. Although none of these early models made it to production, the thought of electric powered vehicles has been around for a long time. At the time, there was no real need to power an electric car with anything other than gasoline. But now there are much bigger environmental concerns like emissions and pollutions of all different kind. Some benefits of switching to electric cars are, for one, the impact it has on the environment. It is considered green energy and does not cause harm to the environment. Also, it is a renewable source of energy, unlike gasoline. Electric cars are more simplistic than gasoline-powered cars and have much less maintenance. There is no oil to lubricate the engine, which also means no oil changes, another cost reduction. The average American spends between $2,000 and $4,000 on gas every year, and with the electric car, this cost would be eliminated. Prices for electric cars continue to drop, making them a much more practical vehicle that the average person can afford. Now to talk about some of the disadvantages of owning an electric car. The main fear of electric car owners is running out of power with no charging station nearby. Depending on the vehicle, the range can be anywhere from 75 miles all the way up to 375 miles. Another disadvantage that goes along with electric vehicles is the charging station that must be installed at your home. Charging at home will obviously also increase the energy bill. Also, battery packs for the electric cars do not last forever. Typically, they will have to be replaced every 10 years or so, and they can get pretty costly depending on the make and model of car. Electric vehicles are becoming an increasingly common sight in the United States, along with the over 20,000 public charging stations across the states. It seems that there are only a few brands that dominate the industry, but actually there are well over a dozen fully electric car models on sale in the US right now. Some of the most popular companies to take on the electric car are Tesla, BMW, Volkswagen, and Nissan. In conclusion, electric cars have been the front runner in technology advancement in the 21st century. They have the ability to cut down on emissions and help protect the world as we know it. It is quite possible that here in the near future, the roads will be dominated by electric vehicles and the gas-powered engine could become a thing of the past. Thank you.